Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to make a frequency table and how to find the relative frequency and the cumulative relative frequency. So first of all, I'm going to draw a table. So this is the value. This one is the frequency. This one is the relative frequency. And this one is cumulative relative frequency. So first of all, in the column value, I'm gonna list all the number appear in this dataset, all the unique number. So I'm gonna list it from the lowest to the biggest. So 1 is the lowest, so 1. The next one is 2, and the next one is 3, right? The next one is 4 and 5, right? And then I'm gonna count how frequently the value appear. So number 1, 2. So number 1 appear 1 time, or number 1 appear 2 times. So the frequency of it is 2. The next one is number 2. Number 2 appear 1, 2, 3, 4. So number 2 appear 4 times, right? Number 3 appear 1, 2. Number 3 appear 2 times. Number 4 appear 1, 2 times. And so number 5 appear 2 times. All right. So the total number of data in the dataset is 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. It's gotta be 12, right? The total data in the dataset. All right, guys. Next one we will find the relative frequency of the value 1. So if you want to find the relative frequency of it, we're gonna take the ratio of its frequency, which is 2. We take a ratio of 2 over the total frequency, is 12, right? So see 1 over 6. And the next one, we want to find the relative frequency of the value 2. We just take the frequency of it over the total. This is 1 over 3. The next one, we're going to do the same. 1 over 6. And this is 2, right? The frequency of it is 2 over 12 is 1 over 6. The next one is 2 over 12, 1 over 6 as well. Right? So this is the total, right? So we will add it up. We will add all the relative frequency. So 1 over 6 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6, and it's gonna be 1. Alright, so you have to make sure the total relative frequency is 1. So the next one, we're gonna find the cumulative relative frequency. So this is 1 over 6, right? So we just rewrite 1 over 6. And the next one, if you want to find the cumulative relative frequency of the value 2, we will add 1 over 6. We will add 1 over 6 and this value and 1 over 3. So it's going to be 1 over 2, right? The next one, you want to find the cumulative relative frequency of the next value. We just add it up as 1 over 2 by 1 over 6. So its value is going to be 2 over 3. And the next one you want to find, you just add it up at these two values, 2 over 3 and 1 over 6. And it's going to be 5 over 6. And next one we'll add it up, so it's going to be 1, right? So this is the way how to find the cumulative relative frequency. So if this video is helpful, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much.